Do you know why the word cat is spelled with a C and kitten is spelled with a K? In this lesson, you will learn the CK spelling rule. Since C and K have the same sound, you'll learn when to spell with C and when to spell with K. This skill will help your spelling. Let's get started. C and K both have the same sound, K. But as you can see, some words begin with C and some begin with K. So how do we know if we should spell with a C or with a K? When a word begins with the K sound, listen for the vowel sound that comes after the K sound. This tells you if you should spell with a C or a K. If you hear the sound of A, O, or U after the K sound, spell the word with a C. If you hear the sound of I or E after the K sound, spell the word with a K. There are two easy ways to remember this spelling rule. First, think of C as a circle or a letter with a round shape. Lowercase a, O, and U are vowels with a round shape. K is a stick letter, and so are the uppercase vowels, I and E. If you write lowercase I and E rather than the uppercase letters, even lowercase e has a line in it, showing it is a stick letter like the letter K. The second way to remember this spelling rule is this rhyme. K takes I and E, C takes the other three. There are only a few exceptions to this rule. They include foreign words, such as the words kangaroo, karate, kayak, kung fu, and koala. And names such as Kate, Kay, and Catherine. Sometimes words are misspelled for advertising purposes, such as the words corn, cars, and cart. Now let's practice. Type either C or K to complete each of these real and nonsense words. Ready? Kim, Kim. Good. Kib, kib. That's right. Kid, kid. Right. Cub, cub. Good job. Cam, cam. That's correct. Cut, cut. Nice. Cab, cab. Right. Cat, cat. Correct. Cap, cap. Great job. Keb, keb. Nice work. Right. Cut, cut. Nice. Cam, cam. That's correct. Cop, cop. Nice job. Cun, cun. Great. Cap, cap. Great job. Great work. You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on.